Shut up. Let's talk. Let nobody come with some fear in you. The fear of God is the beginning of wisdom. The fear of God is the beginning of wisdom. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. The fear of Jehovah is the beginning of wisdom. See, make I tell anybody where they watch me from anywhere right now, from anywhere in the world, make I tell you something. If you want to be my friend, you got to be truthful. If you ain't truthful, you can't fucking be my friend, my nigga, because me, I be fucking real, and like sea sand. I be fucking real, and like salt. I be real, like sugar. I be real, like anything good talk say be real. I be real like that. I be real like car. I be real like ship. I be real like airplane. Don't see me like that. Don't see me like that. If you see me like that, go get out like that. Because if you show you the see her, don't see her like that. Don't try like that. I tell you people something. You understand me? All those things where people they talk for people in my brain, where they confuse people in my brain. This song, go change in my brain. Bad man, don't come see her like that. Say because you today your song they hit for the world. So it is bad man. Michael Jackson said boy, see they sing to the die, my nigga. Don't see her like that. Don't see her. You know they see the thing they going for the world. You know they see her. Don't say like that. If they talk, say, you they come here, they can't do business. We know if you do business for there. But if you say, if they come with the welcome, they can't do business for her. If you say, be easy thing. I know talk, say, make a fly go Nigeria, go do promotion for them. I don't need Nigeria promotion for anything. If Nigeria feel say they no go promotion at Awali, fuck it. I don't need Nigeria promotion for anything. Bad man. I say, people see things where we do for Nigerian artists. Again, Nigerian artists can talk, say, I can't Nigeria, I can't visit them for your house. And then they chop biscuit like that, man, nigga. No see her like that. If you see her like that, you go get her like that. No see her like that. Don't even try like that. Don't even think like that. Because if you think like that, you go get her like that. No try like that, my nigga. We did that way we talk about business, you want to talk shit, bullshit and shit. And Ghana, the song where they sing Ghana. Oh shit, how many of your rappers go fit Sako there? How many of your rappers go fit Amrado? How many of your rappers, you know rappers? Rappers crazy, my boy Chimmy, he crazy. How many of your rappers go fit my blood medical? How many? Nigga start drop drill before Ghana rappers start drop drill. My nigga, no see like that, no see like that. Don't come talk, see, man for do good music, man for Ghana artists know they do good music. No see like how you want me to see them? Maybe I say, Odo. One country be different, the culture be different. One culture, you know, be like what people they do for the people want do fine boy thing, but one culture be wicked. Ghana music culture be wicked. Share. You want to go tell people where they maybe some place like Burundi or something. Say because of the way Burundi put it. Masa no see like that in my culture. Get the fuck shut up. Keep quiet, small boy. Keep quiet, shut up, boy. Can't talk see the type of music. Do you know what type of music we? Well, Salificator them they blow flute and saxophone and things that they take win Grammy. No, not say like that. Don't be stupid. Don't talk like that. These Nigerian fans, you go, if you can't do internet up and you talk bullshit, nonsense thing, nonsense. If you say what? Yes, it's your time today. Enjoy. But tomorrow will be another man's turn. Don't say like that. Don't say I can't talk, say, and what. If man they talk something, you know the year. Do you know how many times this our industry people, they feel talk negative about what you guys are doing? We see like, yeah, we have a culture. We have a culture that we also, cherish so much. Bad man, no see like that. No see like that. When it comes down, so say, no see like that. Ghana, it is soakings. You people for accept the soakings. Gary, Nido. Maybe you go fit put biscuit small for inside. Our body has to be so biscuit small, granite small, sugar small. It is soakings. When I industry, it is soakings. Take them like that, soakings, Gary. Not come see how the way you do your own. You do have chocolate. You want me to go chop chocolate? Ghana will be soakings. We get rappers, we get singers, we get everything for inside the music industry, inside where we do. When I industry, here is a discussion. It be soakings. Put cap for down. It be another material. Cap, the cap self we go put for down. It be another material. It be another talent. You put water for inside. It be another talent. Gary, it be another talent. Sugar, it be another talent. Nido, it be another talent. You go fit choose. Add granite, it be another talent. Then maybe add biscuits, maybe bonbon or cream crackers or something where they fit chew. Go fit add donut self to the Gary. It is soakings. So with the chopper. I can't talk, see, then we want a music industry. You put they do chocolate, we see. Because every time, and the love, and my love, and your love, and she say, we understand, it be chocolate. We just do soakings, accept them. What's the Nigeria, you put in the chop Gary, you know the chop soakings for them. You know what make man bring soakings, they can sell for you, like you put in the drink soakings. We all be Africans. It's not the fault for Nigeria. It's not the fault for Nigeria, my God. It's not the fault for Nigeria. We be brothers and sisters, uncles and aunties. Or if you say what? Go check history of Ghana. The history of the Ghans. They from Ilefe, from Nigeria. Me, my generation from Nigeria. Forget everything. If you don't know see Fela Kuti for in a long time, he is back. This is him. Accept it or forget it. Not see all like that. Otherwise you will get all like that. People say you want chocolate for this season. We say no problem. But we still we just chop soakings. Or you know the season, if they do show, they refuse do show, then Sakode go can rap, then Stonebwoy go can do dancehall, then maybe somebody go can sing, Kwabena go can sing, then maybe some girl go can do some dancehall. If it's soakings, that be how I end that 3 days. Soakings. You people your show, this one go come. My love and your love, the next one will come. The girl, the way you do, every time, girl, we understand. We be so nice, yes. No be people go show we love. You know, get love past we. If you get love past we, you go to promote you for there. We will show you love. But we the suckings, where will they take show you love? Suckings. You possess the chocolate. You know, if you give you chocolate, you can't be there, can't be talk, say, listen song again, bumble.
Sometimes I laugh when they say I really love. You don't know you, but you say she can own you. If another come today, we will come tomorrow. We need change at once. I say you know be my landlord, how come say when they can give you the advance? This Nigerian voice, all this is in London. Charlie, I said maybe mama compound. Every day for deep, one day for a while. Don't touch your door, leave go. Fuck your bed. You go be say I didn't know they care. Fuck you, come up again. So you won't fight me. The truth and the talk, you won't fight it. You don't surprise me, cause I said you they bring keep rising. How many times you they come together? All in the name of love. How many times you they cross border? All in the name of store. As they come, you see them. Conference center, ready to kill them. Shout out to rappers, bullet. You say when they change, you see them. Every day competition and they sing past me, they sing past me. Foolish. Music no be one get for students. Fuck yourself, you know. Don't judge your darling. Fuck your man. You could be say I didn't know they care. Fuck you, come up again.
Sometimes the pain we say. You know, say them. When I industry too, people will sit radio and TV and all talk. and our artists, they know they travel, and our artists, they know they travel. Massa, you know, be travel where they bring, you make your music hit, oh. You know, be travel. Come on for them, come on for them. Can't take the artists, they know they travel. Make you travel, do what? No, make you travel, do what? If you know be important, why man for travel? Move per plane, do, move per airport, need visa, do, a hammer, do, Sadian a hammer, Sadian a hammer, Sadian a hammer. And no, we're too quiet. Oh, we're too quiet. You boy, they see the results of we're too quiet. The artists already travel. What be the results? What be the results? Nail. Industry nail, artist nail. Industry nail, artist nail. Can't date them if you say they go school too much, then they do things, then they do. Hey, make I tell you something. Me, what are they talk? Me and nobody they quarrel. Me and nobody they fight. If the business matter they talk. It be me, my line of business where they talk. Say, but how come people know the fit promote by the fee do this? No. Then me, if you say my fans for Ghana, I hold them tight. And that's why they hold my fans tight. That's why they hold my fans very tight. Because I say, no, Charlie, if I go do show with my fans go come, then the way somebody brag say Nigerians get fans. Yo, fuck it. These are my fucking Nigerian fans. You know, so fuck it. Fuck Nigeria, man. Like, I don't have anything to do in Nigeria. I know that I did disrespect Nigeria, but yeah, that's what I said. Like, you know understand. You say I did this, Nigeria, so you go come this one. Who is the shutter? Come on for them. Shut up there. Are you a musician? Have you written one book and one line before? Do you know how to hold a guitar? Or play your face like bass drum. Look at your face. And you want to insult my face? Me, I know my face is like a whole generating plant for Africa. I understand. But your face and your dream, it doesn't tally with your character and your behavior. It's very foolish that a musician will be talking and then somebody that is not a musician but like typing on the internet also want to talk. Don't be stupid. No see like that. Otherwise you go get down like that. You understand me? When somebody they talk sense, listen. And they do business. Here they talk. Check most African countries. They fight for parliament. Hey, they fight. Hey, they take chair. They throw. They do. Yeah. That one I know they say it be disrespect. They fight. It's not disrespect. It's fighting for your right. Fighting for the right cause. Fighting for change. That is what is the problem. Put there can if man they talk because men are not thinking and are planning for their future. They talk just nonsense because yes, just for the day. Let me just say this for the day. I've said it. I've told Shatta Wale. You have told your mother. Don't see her like that. Eh? Hear the talk. Don't see her like that. Otherwise, you go get them like that. You understand me? Let's wise up. When somebody they talk, don't talk quickly like that. If you talk like that, it means say you are a fool. When somebody talk, think. What the person talking? Why you talking? I've been a musician. Why they talk, see, we they promote Nigerians for it. They know they promote our songs for them. Why? That one is a problem. You will find some stupid people for Ghana to do it. Shatta, hey, Charlie Badman, make a tell you something. You know, everything play outside, everything play outside. You see me, the way I make okay, I'm too okay, Charlie. The way I make okay, I'm too okay. That is be funny me. Hey, but what I need for music inside again? Say I want buy house. But man, I'm too okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm too okay. You see, so when I say I'm tired, I say I want stuff. Wear jewelry, I buy some. Or everything I buy some. Don't see I'm like that too. Otherwise you will get them like that. You see me, I wake up like that, and you know me still, strong ghetto youth, yes, fighting for a good cause, my nigga. You understand what I'm saying? I be too okay, my nigga. Don't say like that. Who no come, they come impress somebody, come flex somebody, can show somebody anything. Man, we are living the realest of fucking life, and life is paying us back so sweetly and righteously. Forget everything. my nigga. Speak the truth. Learn how to speak the truth. Stop lying to yourself. Stop following people because of something. I don't know what that something. I don't know whether if you cutting or something. I don't. Stop following people because of. Stop following people because of. Follow people because of truth. Me, I don't want to make nobody follow me because if you say, I don't know. Don't follow me just like that. Follow me and listen to the things that they talk. If it touch you, it tally with your life. Let's roll, my nigga. We're gonna make it together, my nigga. That's me. But don't follow me and feel say you won't check my fault. You know if you check my fault, you know be my fitter. You do body wash for me before. The person who creates this my body for me, they do my body wash. Forget yourself. You know if you even body work my brain. Don't see them like that. One man they talk wisdom, sometimes make people understand. Sometimes you go see me like this. But yeah, here they talk. God go open heaven and God will talk say, shut up, choose the people where they will go heaven. Right now go to the hey God. And God self go blame them. You people, God self go blame them. Because you don't know who be God. You don't know when God sends somebody even to come rescue you. You don't even know. Because all your mind is somewhere. You think somewhere. You did the word inside, but you don't know who bring you here. Don't blind your eye. Don't blind your eye. The world, you know, be anybody you own. God bring you come here for a purpose. Look for that purpose, and that purpose comes with truth. 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 That's what I spell for you. Learn how to speak the truth. And stop being foolish small. Because yes, it's good to be foolish. Me, I be foolish past you. Nobody foolish. Me, I swear, the whole Ghana, the artists, so I don't know who foolish past me. Me, I fool past everybody. You know the reason why I fool? Because people feel say they fool. So me, my own, it be special. When I laugh with people, when I play, people, yeah, what's up, Charlie? Yeah. When I at this stage, yeah, I do my work. But I see when you show me, say, you fool, you won't show me foolishness. I will show you nice foolishness. Because if you say, as you walk, everybody for your face is fool. So anybody you go see, you go talk to 1 minute, bad man, I go talk to you anyway, anyhow. I go tell you anything where I think for my head right now. I no go think twice. Because yeah, as you alone, you work for the world inside. You won't just make people see, say you are a foolish. And so you know a foolish. Who is a foolish? So less foolish and see who will be a foolish. See foolish. See, I'm using the foolish word foolishly. Because sometimes foolish people think foolishly and want to live a foolish life. So when they meet sensible people, they can't even think sense. They listen, no, they can't. Manila. So they bring out their foolishness. But man, somebody go feel wear coat and tie and everything. Don't do them, no see them like that. When you receive them the way you go receive them, go receive it the way. But if you don't receive, it will show you life. They can't talk, say, then if you talk truth, then some stupid people, they won't find something under the truth. And no, but shut up, but you know they do promotion, like, you know, man, you did my house. You did my world. You know computer pass me. See, this is my studio. My studio this. My studio. Ask anybody. Me and if you fix all my machines like this. Because see, I go ask them say they will fix all my machines now. Nigga, we know they play thing. No say like fall in love. Computer, normal computer, gadgets. Gadgets said they fall in love. No see I'm like that. See this thing, and the way, look at the way. I don't like the way he talk. I don't like. Am I talking to you? Did I even ask you to even come here and come and be talking to me? Because I don't even know you. Me and you know get problem, but you did some place they talking. I don't like the way you don't like the way I talk. You don't like the way I talk. What's the way you talk? Because I don't know you from anywhere. You want to talk to me anyhow. Master, make I tell you something. Sometimes internet way you go make man they talk some way, you go talk some way. But let me just advise you. If you can't be truthful to life, life will never be truthful to you. And another thing that I want to repeat and say again. When you see a rich man, no, see, that person likes solve problem. If you are scared to solve problems, forget it in life to be successful. If you are scared to solve problems, forget it in life. Forget it, my nigga. I tell you something. All those Ghanaians where you to that disease catch you small, if they talk to you, if you know, if you change from your ways, it'll be 2022 with it. In 2022, it'll be good year. Change your ways and watch the miracles from God. If you don't change your ways, you go first say you go live some life just anyhow. Bad man, the life you go live on for the internet top. The real world is out there. People are making tons of money. People are cashing out. That's how they talk. Somebody they cash out. That's what it is. Don't stay there and up to now. You install Shatawale and Shatawale get money past your whole entire family. You insult Shatawale, Shatawale make time. You still did there, they insult Shatawale. If you say you go make them, I'm not sure say you go even reach there. Then make them. You not go reach there. You not go reach there because your mind all they say anything be foolish for you. You know, you go school, Mr. Book Long. You know how to talk to people. You know how people have to talk. Because as I come right now, we are in talk, no? As I talk, you don't like the way I'm talking because I'm talking from my nose. Because you know how to solve that problem in my nose. Come and solve it. Nose fitter. You are very foolish.